It's your girl Za'Morian, and I'm back again with another video. And for today's video, I'm a little glad to be back. I'm honestly, this video wasn't really planned for today, but I decided to just do it anyway. And basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying new curly hair products. So I have a bunch right here. I don't know why I'm so extra right now, but I have a bunch of products except this one. You know, this is a holy grail. Ignore my little ghetto candle. Let me move this. Okay, so I'm not even gonna try to show y'all too much, but I just want to say I am going to be trying some new products in today's video, simply because we are in quarantine right now and your girl's getting a little bored. So all I have to do is experiment. One of my coworkers actually put me on. She put me on. Yes, my fire alarm is not. We're not even gonna talk about that. Okay, we're not even gonna talk about that. But my coworker put me on to this brand. It's called Raw Sugar. Y'all, I'm not even gonna get too deep into it because I've actually never tried their hair products. This is my first time trying their hair products, but I do use hola. I don't know why I just wanted to set my camera up real quick, but I do use their body wash and their lotion. So this is the one that I have. Come on, focus. There we go. So this is the one that I have. This is the Raw Coconut Plus Mango Body Wash. I smell so good. And then I have the lotion to go with it. And these two just together is beautiful. So I don't want to talk y'all head off too much. But I just want to say that this brand, my coworker put me onto it. And I'm dropping it. I'm all over the place. So my coworker put me onto this brand. So since I love their body wash, I love their lotion. I also have their body wash and lotion in another scent. Talk about all that later if I even have the time to. But I wanted to try their hair products. So I got their shampoo and conditioner, and it's called the Raw Sugar, the Bounce Back Shampoo, Raw Sugar, the Bounce Back Conditioner. It's hydrating, restorative, and it repairs damaged and stressed out hair. Basically the scent that it is it's their Mango Butter Plus Agave and Carrot Oil. That's something very different. Anybody that knows me knows that a lot of my products have like coconut and just like the same old. Let's switch it up, you know? So that's what we doing today. We experimenting with this brand. And then since I really don't want too many smells in my head, I didn't have, this is about to fall, but I caught it. I'm also gonna be trying out this Alkay Naturals Lemongrass Styling Mousse. I don't know. This is a new one too. I've seen this brand before, but when I seen that they had the mousse at Target, and I haven't really seen this brand like other than their conditioner, I've never really seen this brand around. So when I seen the mousse, I was like, "Ooh, let me get that to try it." And then just as like a styling gel, I'm gonna go with my. I'm probably not gonna put that much, but I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my light defining gel by Diva Curl. I know there's a lot of controversy around Diva Curl products, but y'all, listen to me. I don't have no problems. Like, Diva Curl been doing my hair right, but for right now, I ain't throwing these products away. So we're gonna be using this. This is a holy grail, so this ain't really a new product. And then as far as my oil, I always use black castor oil on my hair all the time on my roots whenever I do a wash and go, most of the time. All the time, but I wanted to try a different one, so I got the lavender. Come on, focus. There we go. So I got the lavender Jamaican black castor oil. So that's what we're gonna be using today. And another thing that I'm gonna be trying that's different is this right here. So this is the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. I'm gonna be using this as a detangler because look at here. Y'all see this bun? And a little piece of trash on my face. When I tell you it's gooked up, it's gooked up. Like, I don't know why I kept this bun in my head for so long. But yeah, so hopefully I'm not talking too much. But these are the new products that I'm going to be using in today's video. So I'm really excited because I've been really wanting to try this for a while now. Because I'm just like, what is a curl primer? Like, what? Like, what's a curl primer, you know what I'm saying? So basically that's what today's video is going to be. I don't want to talk too much, and I feel like I've already talked y'all ear off because I'm looking at the time and we damn near at 6 minutes. But without further ado, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram, that's going to be right here and also down here. Without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the video. What's up, you guys? You already know what it is. We in the bathroom with it. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and just get my hair soaking wet. And then once I was done with that, the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is add in that primer. I already showed you guys, I already talked about it. This primer can be used as a detangler as well as a pre-poo. So that's basically what I'm using it as. And as I'm detangling my hair after I add the product in, it gives me a lot of slip, and I didn't need that much to help me with my whole detangle process. So that was really, really cool. After I did all that, I went ahead and just rinsed it all out of my hair. It was super easy, just rinsed it all out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and wash my hair, and it smells so freaking good. I love the smell of this shampoo. And I'm basically adding it only to my scalp because that's just how I personally wash my hair, is I just really try to penetrate the shampoo into my scalp. And then I went ahead and rinsed it all out. It started to get a little foggy, so I'm going to go ahead and add in the rest of my products and do all of that outside the shower. Okay? Bye. Hello. We're back. Okay, so just got out the shower or whatever, and you already know. My paper towel. always my paper towel. Always. We don't use regular towels around here. And if you're not already hipped on my paper towel, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Get on it. Got it from Walmart. Not even gonna say too much because I mentioned in every single video, so we're not even gonna go there. But yeah, so like I already said, I used the raw sugar, the bounce back. Can somebody tell me when I just look a hot mess? Like, don't let me just walk around like this. Okay, so I used the bounce back shampoo, boom, in the shower. And it's hard to get foggy, so I wanted to hurry up and hop out. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my conditioner in right now. So first things first, can we talk about that primer though? That primer was really like, it was doing something. First of all, I feel like it gave me a lot of slip. It was super slippery, and that's really good for me because I'm trying to detangle my hair and I need as much slip as I can. Normally I would just use like a conditioner, or I would detangle it with like a deep, either a regular conditioner or a deep conditioner, or I would use my Paul Mitchell. That's like my go-to, my Paul Mitchell, the detangler. If you've seen my last updated curly hair routine, then you already know that's like my go-to. But I wanted to try something different, so that's why I went ahead and used that primer. But it's so different from the conditioner. I have the conditioner to go with that primer as well. And it's this one right here. I actually used this in my the wet look video, and I talked a lot about how it was super thick, and the primer is totally different from that. The primer is way more like a watery consistency, but it's not hecka watery. It still has hold, like it won't slip through the crack of your fingers like water, but it does have a lot of slip, and I love that. So that's a plus. You can go ahead and just add the conditioner in there or whatever. Maybe I should take this piece of paper off. And we ain't even gonna talk smell because, listen, they're known for their smell. Like, this smells so good. And another thing that I'm trying is, this is not a leave-in conditioner. So honestly, at this point, we're just really trying something new here, guys, because this is not working. But besides that, that's not a leave-in conditioner. So honestly, what's the difference? Can somebody comment down below what is the difference between leave-in and not? Like, and I know obviously because it's leave-in, but like, is it really that bad to like use the conditioner that's not leave-in and leave it in? Like, I don't know. Like, what will that do? I don't know. But we doing it today, so I don't know what to say. And if y'all ever see me going like this, it's mainly because I'm balling up my hair so I can keep track of how much shedding I'm getting. If y'all not keeping track of your shedding, then at this point, what are you keeping track of? Because a lot of people like to talk about how whenever they get box braids or have protective style, that their hair begins to shed. But for me, like, I don't really trip out about that because I know what excessive shedding looks like on my hair. I've had it before. And I know what like the normal is. That's why whenever I do detangle my hair or comb it out, I'm always balling it up. And then once I'm done with my wash routine, I kind of like to look just to make sure, like, is we excessively shedding over here, or are we just normally shedding? So just a little tip there for you. You know, that's what I'm here for. Just saying. Piece of hair went my eye. I'm supposed to be going somewhere. I don't know why I'm taking this long. I don't know why I started to just record a video knowing I got somewhere to be, but You know, when you're Za'Moriansherm, sometimes you just live life on the edge. And I just realized I don't have a mirror in front of me. Like, I'm literally doing this with the little bitty viewfinder on my camera. Why? Because I'm in a rush. So we're gonna have to just make it do what it do. It literally smells so good, y'all. Like, I damn near want to eat my hair. Like, no cap. I really just want to eat it because it smells that good. It smells so good. They're doing something with this one right here. I'll tell you that. I will tell you that. They are doing something with this one. Cause boy, we on to something. So now that it's all up in there, the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, figure out what I'm gonna wipe my hands off with. I'll just use this shirt. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Diva Curl Light Defining Gel and just use a little bit of that on my hair. Cause again, we are trying out different products. So I don't wanna use too much of like a product that I already know about. So we're just going to use a little bit of that and just coat it. This is literally all I'm going to put on there, and I'm just going to try to work all that. It was like a glob about this big, and I'm going to try to work all that just in my hair and really not put any more in there. If you guys are noticing that my hair looks shorter, that's because I did cut it. So if you guys haven't seen my last video, make sure y'all go check that out. I cut my hair. I try to do a diva cut. And I don't know if I executed it or not because I don't know if I 100% like it. But go check out that video. I don't know how I'm feeling about it 100% yet, but it's okay. So next, what we gonna use is this Alki Naturals. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna use this. First time using it. And I've normally, it smells lemony. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So I'm hoping that this is not just too many smells in my hair. That's why I don't really like mixing different products, but at the same time, it's like, sometimes I feel like all the same line of a product don't work as well as if you mix a conditioner with somebody else's gel or somebody else's mousse or somebody else's curl defining gel or something, you know? I just feel like, I don't know why my voice got hecka deep, but I just feel like sometimes damn, this piece of hair on my arm. But sometimes I just feel like it always don't work the best. So that's why I be experimenting sometimes with different products, and I'm always mixing stuff all the time. Sometimes I walk around smelling like a whole fruit bowl because I got strawberry this, coconut this, like it's crazy, but that's okay. That's really okay. And I am going to be letting my hair air dry. So that's another thing. We're gonna let this bad boy air dry. I was gonna diffuse my hair, but honestly, listen, we don't have time for all that, to be honest. Like, we really don't. We really don't. So yeah, we just don't have time. I'm sorry. Now, just to hold in all my moisture, as well as I am trying to grow my hair, even though I just cut it, but we are still trying to grow it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Jamaican black castor oil. Yeah, my Jamaican black castor oil. Put a little bit of that on my fingers. I'm gonna massage it in my scalp. I don't want to use too much because I like the smell of my hair right now, so we really not finna just go crazy with it. So this is what we working with, and I'm literally just gonna use one hand over here, one hand over here, put some back there, and really just try to work all that in because I don't want my hair smelling like black castor oil. And I feel like it kind of already does, but that's okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my shirt. I would take my microfiber towel, but it's already soaking wet, so it's not really gonna do much, to be honest. I'm just gonna scrunch. I was gonna take my dimming brush, but y'all, I don't feel like looking for it. This is what my curls are looking like. Very defined. And we're gonna let this air dry. So I'll probably come back to you guys either later tonight or tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so that's basically the end of this video. This is basically what my hair is looking like. I am feeling it. I definitely can tell a difference between the regular conditioner that I put in my hair compared to the leave-in conditioners that I always use. There's definitely a difference. I can just feel the difference. But yeah, this is basically what my hair is looking like. Also, if you notice that my hair is cut differently and I just have bangs, I don't know if I already said this, but I did cut my hair. Make sure that you guys check out that video. But let me just try to get a close-up. Great, that fell. I did try to finger coil some of my bangs just because I feel like they looked really dry. So I did that. And yeah, this is basically what we got going on. I do want to say this definitely will not be my go-to curly hair routine. We're going to go ahead and go back to what we know. And if you guys haven't checked out that video, it's going to be an icon. So make sure y'all do that. But yeah, you know, this was fun trying out new products. If you guys do have any other brands that you guys would like for me to try, please leave them down in the comment section. Also, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. I do post notification. I hate when I say do, but I do post notification shout outs. So make sure that you guys do follow me on my Instagram. It's gonna be right here and down below, all my socials, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, this is what we are working with. And I did cut my hair myself, in case y'all don't know. So any mistakes you see, we're just gonna ignore those. I don't have anything else to say. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.